My role as Director of Business at Kilvington Grammar School is quite varied. Its scope includes overseeing finance, risk management, governance, grounds, property, building development, and ICT. When it comes to ICT, the goal is to ensure a sound budgetary outcome balanced with a high level of internal and external service. Before collaborating with Triskele Labs, we didn't have a Security Operations Centre, or commonly known as a SOC. Instead, we depended on tools such as network monitoring, antivirus protection, and vulnerability analysis to oversee our network security. During that period, our pain points revolved around the absence of a centralised and managed SOC solution and cohesive oversight. We could not correlate and analyse security events, and we had to manually sift through logs from various tools, which was time-consuming and prone to oversight. This situation posed potential vulnerabilities in our network security, which led to challenges and effective monitoring and safeguarding of our network. As a result of a data breach in 2022, our insurers connected us with Triskele Labs. They recommended their team as an organisation with the technical expertise that could assist us during that difficult time. The team from Triskele Labs assisted us in identifying the reason for the breach and helped us secure and strengthen our network and processes to avoid any further breaches. Richard, the DFIR lead, made a remarkable impact during that period. His expertise and dedication were evident in his meticulous approach to incident response and forensics. Since the adoption of Triskele Labs services, we have observed significant improvement across several key metrics. The main goal we achieved is the most important one: having a secure network environment. An example of this shift is in incident detection and response times. With the Triskele Labs SOC in place, which has eyes on glass round the clock, we are notified immediately as soon as any incident is detected. We also need fewer hours spent on investigating incidents. For those considering the Triskele Labs services, I would highly recommend and advise evaluating the potential benefits to their organisation seriously.